Hi! In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of our recurring limited events feature. First, what are recurring limited events exactly? With recurring limited events, you can schedule widgets to automatically appear during specific holidays or seasonal campaigns, repeating every year, without needing to update the dates manually. To get started, simply open the widget you want to use for the upcoming holiday or seasonal campaign. This can be a new widget or an existing one. For the purpose of this example, I'll open an existing widget. I'll come back to the Design tab later. Let's focus on the Display Rules tab for now. As you can see under Display Rules, there is now a new Recurring Limited Events option. If I tick this option, I can select one or multiple holidays or events. Let's select Black Friday, for example. Here, you can either use the dates the system suggests or enter the exact dates you want the campaign to run. I'll just change the start date. And as you can see here, you can enter a coupon code that you previously created in your payment processor system. Let's enter a coupon code. This step is optional, of course. You can enter a coupon code if you want to show it to your visitors, but if you don't have one and want to link to a specific landing page instead, that's completely fine. You can leave this field blank. As you can read here, limited events will automatically repeat in the following years. This means that if you leave the widget active, it will start showing again next year. Now let's select another holiday. Christmas, for example. Note that you also have the option to create your own custom holiday if you can't find what you're looking for in the list, or if you want to create an event specific to your industry or business. I'll leave the dates as they are and enter a different coupon code. Now, this means that the widget will first show during the Black Friday period between this date and this date. Then it will stop showing and it will show again during the Christmas period between this date and this date. Simple, right? Now, a couple of things. Firstly, as you can see here, you can set the widget to show using either the visitor's time zone or the site's time zone, which can be different. This gives you more flexibility in case you want your widget to start showing at a specific time in your visitor's time zone, for example. Secondly, there must be another condition in place in addition to the recurring limited events condition. For example, here we have time on page is at least 0 seconds, which means the widget will show instantly, but you could choose another condition, like time on page is at least 5 seconds, or visitor intends to leave. So what's important to remember here is that you can't use a recurring limited events condition on its own. There must be at least one additional condition. Now let's save our changes and switch back to the Design tab. If you click on the text of your widget and then on the Show Shortcodes list icon, you will see a couple of new shortcodes, holiday name and holiday coupon. As you might guess, these shortcodes will dynamically display the holiday or event name and the coupon code you entered under Display Rules. First for Black Friday, then for Christmas. Let's add both to our widget text. Done! Now let's say the widget is 100% ready. I'll activate it. Let's visit the site. And we can see the widget displaying the event name, Black Friday, and the associated coupon code. And when the Black Friday period is over, the widget will simply stop showing and then start showing again during the next holiday, Christmas, with the name Christmas here and the associated coupon code. This means you can set up seasonal campaigns far in advance without having to set calendar reminders, manually change dates, and so on. One more thing, if you wish, you can also add a countdown timer that ends when the event ends. To do this, simply add the countdown timer and select the From Holidays for the end period. The countdown timer will reach 0 when the holiday or event is over. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team by clicking on the Get Support button here.